Okay, and here we have an amazing piece. Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist, and it's just delightful. Very, very old. Our guesstimations, late 1800s, something in on those lines, could be older. We have all kinds of discoloration, and it's just fascinating. This here is a few little marks. That's just a bit of dirt. You could clean it up if you wanted to, best not to. It's got no cracks or anything, just marks, a few little tiny little marks there, but beautiful red coloration around here. That's just really nice. It's just nice. All aging marks. Fantastic. It's a great piece. This here, I tried to get a close-up shot of it. It took me quite a while to do. It's a trademark. It says a trademark and a piece. Some of the kanjis mean peace. This is good. I haven't got a striker for it, and therefore, hence the trusty plastic hammer. But we'll give it a go anyways. Perfect. I struck it a bit lighter that time, so that was better. Yeah, that's it. That's a bell. Very large, excellent, serious age, and no cracking. So that's really a wonderful sound. So that's really, really something right there. Okay, I have a small bell here, a personal bell, and I actually bought this at an auction house and put my hand up for it, and I was like, yeah, I've got to have that. Unfortunately, it's got some cracking in it. But surprisingly, it actually has a decent sound. This thing's very old, like some serious age. Oh my, this is very, very old. But anyways, I might get onto this, and I'll find a striker for this one, something for the correct size, and give that a go. Okay, that is that.